Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your birthday on Snapchat. So we're on the main screen here, and if you tap the profile icon at the top, you can then see your profile here. Go to settings. You will see birthday here. And so say as you are setting up your account, you just hit the wrong birthday or you put in the wrong information on accident. Now you can only change your birthday a few times here. I don't know what the number it is, but we'll go ahead and put in our actual birthday here. And this isn't actually my birthday, but it's pretty close. So we'll say that is the actual birthday there. And then that's all there is to it. You just click it, switch the date, and there it is. Your now corrected birthday is December 12th, 1997. So that's really it. Have you had to change your birthday on Snapchat? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.